Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. I'm Shakhista. Today's special fluffy muffins. Take hot water, place a bowl on the top. Take 2 eggs in that and start to beat with a whisk. When yolk and white combine well, add 70 grams of sugar and mix till sugar melts. When sugar melts, add 10 grams of honey and mix well. Honey gives moist texture to the cake. You can skip honey and increase the sugar, but cake will be dry. When sugar and honey mixed well with egg mixture, take out the bowl and place another bowl on the top of hot water. Add 30 grams of unsalted butter and 30 ml of milk. Now keep this bowl aside with hot water. Take the egg mixture and start to beat with the mixer. Before starting to beat, you can add 2 ml of vanilla essence if you want. Here I'm not adding. Look at the consistency. The batter impressions should stay for a while. This is the right consistency. Now sift and add 75 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 grams of baking powder. Mix in a cut and fold method. When all the flour mixed well, take small portion and add to butter and oil mixture and mix well. When the batter mixed well, add this back to cake batter and mix. If you add butter directly to the cake batter, it will not combine well. Now put this butter in an icing bag. Take small teacups and fill the batter up to 80% of the cup level. If you are using cupcake molds, follow the same, fill up to 80%. You can add Chocochips at this stage if you like. I add Chocochips for some cups. They will go to bottom in baking process but will taste good. Now in cooker, pour salt and place a stand. Place the cups in a plate and keep this plate on the stand. Now keep the gas on high and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Time may vary according to your burner size. If you are using oven, bake in 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Adjust the time according to your oven. After 25 minutes, my cupcakes are ready. Look at the texture. They are very soft and moist. Very fluffy. Very easy, try it, sure you will love it. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.